This is the chromatic scale. So we need to mark it as being true or false. It shouldn't be more than 2 of any note. Every note should be there. There shouldn't be any notes skipped. And if, for example, your first note starts on a B flat, you would also expect that your last note would be B flat and not an A sharp. Even though they would be enharmonically the same, it would be incorrect to have it there. So we've started on the right note. Both of those are B flats, okay? And then we need a note on every line and space going down, which there is. And we just need to see that every note now steps down 1 semitone from the note above it. So B flat to A to A flat to G, G to G flat to F, F to E is a semitone, so we don't need anything there, F to E to E flat to D, D to D flat, same as C sharp, C, D flat to C, C to C flat is B, okay, so it is a semitone lower, and then B to B flat, so it is true. So our first note should be D, and our last note should be a D. It's correct. Shouldn't have more than 2 of any note. So when I'm looking up the line, I'm drawn to a part here where I can see that there's 3 on the one line. I know from that there shouldn't be more than 2 of any one note. We have a B flat, a B natural, and a B sharp. So that's actually incorrect. True or false to these questions. And these are just testing your degrees of the scale. So your tonic, supertonic, median. So if I just write out a scale of C, for example. Okay, so we have 8 notes. 1 and 8 are the same. They are the tonic. 2 is the supertonic, so just above the tonic. 3 is the median. 4 is the subdominant, the note that comes before 5, which is the dominant. 6 is called the submedian. Okay, and then the 7th note is always called the leading note. Given an A, we're in the treble clef. Always watch your clefs. Is this the submedian in the scale of C sharp minor? So obviously you need to know your keys as well, because you need to watch your accidentals. It could be an A, but there may be an accidental you need to be careful of. So C sharp minor, you go 3 semitones and 2 letter names up to find the related major. So we're landing on E, E major. So you're going to go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Is A in the submedian position? We've already said, looking at these notes down here, that 6th note is the submedian. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the submedian. Now, it could be a sharp or it could be a natural. It just depends if you're raising them. If you leave them natural, in the natural minor of the scale. If you raise the 6th and 7th, you're in the melodic version of the scale. So it's true that that is the submedian in C. Next one then is, we're given a D. Asked, is this a dominant in G sharp minor? So G sharp minor, again, you go up 3 semitones and 2 letter names, you land on B. So we're looking at B major as our key signature. G sharp minor, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So is this the dominant in G sharp minor? So the D is a note that's not affected by the harmonic or melodic version or natural minor of the scale. It should be a D sharp, so it's not a sharp. It's just a D natural, so it's false. In the back into the treble clef, and this is a G sharp. And we're asked if this is the leading note in the scale of A major. So if I write out my scale of A, and it has 3 sharps, F, C, and G. Leading note, our leading note is the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, G, and it's a sharp, and that's correct, so it's true.